especially the Philippine Navy, are not only distorting the narrative in our South China Sea engagements, but subjecting our uniformed personnel to a clear and present danger of patrolling prohibited waters. Last May 5, ito, kailan lang, Philippine Navy warship BRP Emilio Jacinto attempted to intrude the 12 nautical mile territorial sea of Scarborough Shoal that belongs to China. So, ano nangyari? The People's Liberation Army Southern Theater Command, which oversees the South China Sea, dispatched its naval and air forces to monitor, warn, and expel the ship. Makikita nyo sa ilalim yung blue. Pakaliwa. Dalawa pong bilog yan. Huh? Yung pinakadoong na bilog, yung po yung lagoon. That is identified kasi yung po yung maritime tayo eh. Ha? So yung unang circle, yung po yung 12 nautical miles ng Scarborough Shoal. Remember, the shoal is controlled by China. China is exercising sovereignty over it. Pangatlo, China's already filed last December its charge for a de jure claim with the United Nations and publication with the International Hydrographic Organization. Pero, pag kayo ay pumasok doon sa pangatlong bilog, babantayan na kayo ng China. At so, yung blue, pumasok pakaliwa, pumanan, pero bago siya makapasok, doon sa pangalawa circle, sinalubong na siya ng Chinese law enforcement at tinaboy siya palabas. Ayun, mga kabansa. Nasa kaliwa yung China, nasa kanan yung. Pero, sa mga nilalabas nila sa dyaryo, sila nang tataboy. Pero, in reality dyan, sila nang challenge. Sila nagpapalayag sa China doon sa territorial sea na kontrolado ng China. At pag hindi nila nagawa ang kanilang gusto, grabe ang reklamo nila, aggressive, unprofessional, maneuvers, bullying. Ay, sus, Mariosep. That is why we are appealing to Senator Amy Marcos to conduct a public hearing on why the Philippine Coast Guard, the National Security Council, and the Armed Forces of the Philippines, especially the Philippine Navy, are not only distorting the narrative in our South China Sea engagements, but subjecting our uniformed personnel to a clear and present danger of patrolling prohibited waters. Ito pong ginawa nila itong pagpasok, attempt. Ito hindi pinapasok Emilio Jacinto. Pero yung Apolinario Mabini nakapasok. Nagpapatrolya ka at saka papunta ka sa military exercises. Is that innocent passage? Kasi pwede naman pumasok dyan Basta dire-diretso lang. Walang tigil. Walang paikot-ikot. Walang paliko-liko. Walang patrol-patrolya. Walang pa-challenge-challenge. You are subjecting our uniformed personnel to a clear and present danger of not only losing a thumb, but patrolling prohibited waters. These are justifications why Congress must urgently must conduct this constructive conversation in aid of legislation before somebody gets hurt.